How to see a Discord profile link. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. So for your kind information, Discord doesn't have any profile link. So follow the steps to create a so follow the steps so follow the steps to create a profile link for Discord. First of all, open up Discord. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner and go to settings. Now scroll down. Now search for advanced. Now enable the toggle for developer mode. Now once you are done with that, go back. Now open up any of your chats. Now tap on your profile. Tap on three dots and click on copy user ID. Now open up any text editor on your browser. Now type this link and replace your ID with the user ID. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.